I'm Rajan Ambat. I'm professor at Technical University of Denmark, and I'm also managing Center for Electronic Corrosion at DTU. In our center, all the research what we do is understanding the environmental effects on electronics, and that's causing the corrosion problems, and that affects the sustainability of performance of the electronics. Especially when we talk about the power electronics is a part of all energy production, distribution, and use, and today is also part of the vehicle electrification. And efficient working of the power electronics is most important. This exposed to the harsh conditions because it's used everywhere, and that's causing the many corrosion failure modes. And at the end, it is affecting the functional performance of the electronics, and that way it affects its sustainable performance. All the things what we do at the center is to understand the root cause of these problems and then try to find preventive measures, and that way we help the industries to produce more robust, reliable, and sustainable electronics products. And in our center, we approach this from an integrated point of view, which means that not just looking into one particular part, but we take the system as a whole and try to find each component and how we can put together, and that way to make the system more robust and sustainable. And sustainable means also that is producing a long life electronics. And that way we also have contributed a lot to the industries in this area and making them their products much more robust performance.